apps that you can use to make a lot of money. So you'll be surprised that you are having these apps on your phone and you have never made a single dime on these apps. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end to know the apps that I'm talking about and to know how to earn or how to make money from those apps. So all you need to do is that sit down and watch this video because it is very important. And nowadays we need to make money as either we sleep or any activity that we do, we need to make money from it. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So first of all, the first app that I'll talk about that you can make money from it is TikTok. You can make money from TikTok. And I know many people will say, how am I going to make money on this particular app? So you need to become a creator on this platform and you create videos on it. And when you create videos on it and you reach 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 followers on TikTok, then you can go live and you'll be like, your followers, those watching you live, can gift you gifts which you can convert it to money. It's going to give that they are going to give to you is going to be in a form of points which you can convert it to money. The second way that you can make money from TikTok is you can do subscription, where members of your followers, some of them can now subscribe to the service that you are providing, or membership, to become member of your channel, and they get paid from it. You get paid from it, sorry. So the next way is that you can work with artists. You can work with artists and get paid from it. This is where you select somebody's song, and depending on the number of engagement that you get, likes and comments from it, you get paid proportion to that particular engagement that you get. And the next way that you can make money from TikTok is creator fan. This is where advertisers, the amount that advertisers pay, TikTok give you portion of that particular amount. That's creator fan. So the next app that you can make money from it is Instagram. You can make money from Instagram, and this is where many people are having Instagram on their phones, but they never make any money from it, and they never know that you can make money from Instagram. And I'm here to tell you that you can make money from Instagram. I know you may ask me why or how. On Instagram, you can go live on Instagram and you get paid for that. On Instagram, you can create a membership where those follow you, some will join and they'll be paying you monthly for that. And thirdly, advertisers. This is where if they place ad on your videos, like Instagram, they push some they give you some amount of advert. The advertisers spend on that particular video that you posted, they give you a portion of that amount, and that's the way how you can also make money on Instagram. And you can also sell physical and digital product on Instagram as well. The next platform you can make money on it is Facebook. I know everybody is having Facebook, but you don't know that you can make money from it. And if you want to make money on Facebook, you need to convert your account from profile to professional dashboard. If you are using profile, if you can also create page, or if you already having page, you can also create. And you need to have at least 5,000 followers on Facebook and 60,000 minute watch time on Facebook to be able to get paid on Facebook. And how are you going to get paid? You are going to get paid through ads, and supers are also there, and channel memberships are there. A lot of ways you can make money on Facebook as well. The next one that I'm going to talk about is YouTube. You go there to watch videos day in and day out, and if you're looking for something and you don't know how to find it, you go to YouTube and search for it, and the videos that you're watching from it, people make money from it. And I know you ask me, how are you going to make money from YouTube? This is how you make money on YouTube. So this one this, you become a creator on this platform. You create a YouTube channel, and when you create a YouTube channel, you need to reach at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be able to get paid from ads. And you can also get super chat and super thanks when you reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you get paid. Like you can get super chat and super thanks. So this is where your audience gift you spars for the work that you do. And you can also like create course and sell on YouTube. You can like create channel membership, and people like your followers, your subscribers, some are going to join and they're going to be paid monthly, and you get like you'll be getting that money from them as well. The next platform, that's the fifth platform that you can make money from it, is X, that is Twitter. This is where you write thread on it and you make money from it. And you need to have a specific threshold that you can also use to make money from it. I know this one, many people don't know about these particular platforms that you can use it to make money. And if you want to know more about making money online using these particular platforms, or how to make money online, just make sure you follow this particular page. If you're watching it on TikTok, if you're watching it on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and more to the point, share it to your friends, because a friend may be in need of this particular video to change his life. So share this video to change somebody's life somewhere. So thank you for watching.